in conventional type, the robots require a lot of cable when you are doing with the sensors and control units. Will be a big issue when your robot arm doing some sophistication move such as twisting, turning. Your cable will easily to tangle or lost connection. So this will be make the downtime, a lot of downtime. You need to trace it manually one by one. Either it's the communication cable problem or that power problem. So by using wireless system, we only require two cable, which is the tubing, which is provide you the positive pressure or negative pressure, and one is a power cable. So it can minimize a lot of cable to going in. Without using so many cable and tubing, the robot you can do more sophistication moves such as tangle, like twisting, turning, without doing damage to your robots and cables.